Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through how I approach animation in one of my personal projects. Right now, I am working on a small fun cartoon animation, and as you can see here, I have got a quadruped run cycle and a frog doing some jumps in progress. Let's break down how I made it. But before we dive in, quick reminder. My Blender classes are currently available on Blender Market at the maximum discount for a limited time. If you want to level up your Blender skills and start creating awesome 3D work, this is the perfect chance. Grab it now and kickstart your 3D journey. Alright, back to the tutorial. Here you can see the rigs of this horse. I also used a reference video I found on Pinterest. Always handy to keep good reference nearby. This rig is built manually with Rigify, and I have added some constraints so certain bones move automatically when I animate. For example, the neck has manual controls, while the legs are made with Rigify's limb tentacle system, so they bend naturally like a tentacle. Once the rig was set up, I animated it directly using the reference. That gave me a nice believable motion for the horse. Next up, the frog rig. This one is just a basic armature for now. I only animated the root bone, kind of like a bouncing ball. The rest of the bone does not have keyframe yet, only the root does. You can see it's moving in a simple semicircular loop. Once I am happy with the base motion, I'll go in and add more keyframes to the other bones for secondary movement. And finally the main frog character, which by the way is the hero character for my channel. He is not animated yet, but I will be working on him soon. Once I finish the animation, I will upload it to my Instagram if you would like to see behind the scenes and more personal projects. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more Blender tutorial and animation breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.